want to talk to you about my Cuisinart coffee maker. If you're looking for a coffee maker, absolutely Cuisinart is probably, my opinion, I love it. It just works fantastic, easy to use. This is a 14 cup coffee maker. You can see here's a nice big pot. It does make 14 cups, which is nice, but you can also make less. You have an on and off switch. You have a clean function here, which you can clean it as well. You can make smaller cups, 1 to 4. So that means basically that it goes a little bit slower. And what happens, brews a little bit better, so you can do a little bit better coffee if you're doing 1 to 4 cups. You can do a bold, which I think that pretty much means it drips a little bit slower, so you get that more of a flavor out of it, okay? You can also set the temperature of your carafe, how hot you want it. Also time and date, of course, you can do. Easy to do, easy to fill. I'm gonna show you real quickly. You open this up here, you put your water in here, which I already did already. I got a nice filter in here. And this is a little filter for the water itself, a little charcoal filter, and that also works great. And I love Kirkland. This coffee here, I love this Kirkland coffee, this Colombian Supremo. This is awesome, this coffee. Great coffee, great flavor. And also I love my flavor. Actually, I use the pumpkin caramel sometimes. I put this in as well. I actually enjoy that as well. But this coffee maker here is awesome. You can see here, you can see the side here, you can see where the water level is. So every day I make 6.5 cups, and approximately, it's around 3 cups of coffee for me. I fill this up with my coffee. I'm just gonna show you the Colombian Supremo coffee real quick. Show you what that looks like. And it's dark and rich. You can see that coffee, look at that. This is a beautiful coffee, and it makes great, and it smells fantastic. And look at that fine grind. And it's super rich and super bold. So this is a great coffee. I love that. I love my Cuisinart. As you can see here, it's nice. It's got the chrome. It's stainless steel on the side here. It's black. And it works perfectly. And I absolutely love the way it looks on my counter. Pour me a cup of that coffee that was just brewed again. And it does have automatic shut off when you pull it out, so it doesn't drip, which is awesome. And just take a look at this coffee together. You can see the golden color of this coffee and the way this coffee maker makes it. Look at that. Now that's a nice cup of coffee. Thanks for watching.